Hello, welcome to Math with Nile. Today we're learning polygons.
Polygons. And what are polygons, Nile?
They're a shape that has 3 sides or more.
3 straight sides or more. Very good. So we're going to look at some polygons today with different number of sides. So we've already labelled our sides going all the way from 3 to 10. So now
But it has no 4.
it has no 4. Yeah, we put 4 over here.
Because there were too many when we tried the first time, and we needed to move all those.
Yes, we've got a few shapes with 4 sides. So we had to put 4 separately. So should we get started with those shapes there? Can you grab the first one? How many sides does that have?
Hexagon.
Are you sure that's 6 sides? You want to check them?
Yes, I did. See?
That doesn't look like 6 to me.
9.
9 sides. And you can count them as well. I know you've counted them before, but if you're not sure.
Oh, I saw this straight away when I picked it up.
How many sides? 8?
Yes. 5.
5 sides.
6 sides now. I don't need to look at this one. It's a triangle.
3 sides.
Yes.
Can you do
That's
the others?
only 3 sides. 4 sides.
Okay, so we're going to put one over there.
And another 4 sides. And another 4 sides. And another one. And another one.
Okay.
And 8.
Is it 8?
No? 7.
7. What about that big purple one there?
Oh, I thought that was a part of the 4. 10 of course.
10 sides.
Hexagon. Hexagon?
No.
Hexagonal prism?
No, definitely not a prism. Okay, let's look at the names now. You want to grab that first word there?
3.
No, the first word up there. The name of the shapes now we're on. Nile?
Oh, 3.
Okay. What's that word?
Octagon?
Octagon. How many sides does an octagon have?
8.
Very good. So put it under the one that says 8 sides. Very good. Now grab the other one. What does that say?
Square.
Square. So can you put it under the square?
Square.
How many sides does a square have? Are you looking in the right place?
Square.
Very good. You want to move the square along a bit so you've got enough space for those shapes. No, down here under the square, and move the actual shape. Okay, good. Next word. Rectangle. Where's your rectangle?
Here it is.
Another 4-sided shape.
Yes.
Very good. What have you got next?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. How many sides does a hexagon have?
6.
6. Very good. So put it under
That
the
was a good think.
Yeah. You're taking your time there. What's the next one? Heptagon.
Hexagon.
How many sides does a heptagon have?
9.
No.
10.
No. 7. A heptagon has 7 sides.
These ones are throwing him up in the air.
Heptagon
Whee,
has
she's
7
the winner.
sides. Next one.
Huh.
What's the next shape? Name of shape that you've got?
Decagon?
decagon. How many sides is a decagon? 10. Very good. Let's go over there and have a look. Decagon, 10 sides. What else have you got?
Hexagon.
No.
Hexagon.
That's a parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
So I'm going to describe a parallelogram for you, and I want you to see if you can tell me which shape it is. It has 4 sides.
Yay! No, this one.
And it's got 2 pairs of parallel lines. 4 sides, and it's got 2 pairs of parallel lines. That is a parallelogram. Can you show me the 2 pairs of parallel lines?
This one, and this one, and this one.
Right, the one at the top and the bottom are parallel, and the 2 at the sides are parallel. Okay, that green shape next to the parallelogram, doesn't it look quite similar?
Yes.
What do you think the difference is?
It's just a bit longer. Look, they're the same shape now, but just it's longer.
The parallelogram is a bit longer. Should I tell you what that green one is called?
What?
It is a type of parallelogram, but it's called a rhombus. And you know what's special about a rhombus?
No.
It's got all the sides are equal. So it's still got 2 pairs of parallel lines.
It's
but
similar to a square.
It is similar to a square. Very good. Okay, let's look at the next word that we've got there.
I was about to pick up this one.
Oh, that's fine. Well, that's a big word.
Oh. Good work.
That's a quadrilateral.
Whoa.
Quadrilateral is any shape with 4 sides. So where are you going to put that?
There.
All the shapes with 4 sides.
But I don't have any more.
Well, put it on top. That would be a good place. Very good. So all of these shapes with 4 sides, they're all
But what about that
quadrilaterals.
one?
Well, let's have a look.
Pentagon.
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 How many sides does a pentagon have?
4,
Nope.
3, 5.
5. Why are you saying 3? You know what a 3-sided shape is called.
Triangle.
Okay, let's look at the rhombus. I told you which one was the rhombus. It's the parallelogram that has 4 equal sides. That's it. That one over there.
Which one?
Next to the blue one, this green one here. That's the rhombus.
Rhombus. I like
And-
the name Rhombus.
Do you? What's the next one? That's a trapezium. That's that purple one with
No.
4 sides. That's called a trapezium.
I'm
How
going to
many
put it there
pairs?
because look.
How many pairs of parallel lines does that trapezium have, Nile?
Only 1 pair.
Very good. Can you show us?
Because if you made it go on and on, at some point it would meet up.
Yeah, those are
Like
not.
a meeting.
Yeah, but can you show us the ones that are parallel? The pair that are parallel.
This one and this one.
Very good. So a trapezium has 4 sides and 1 pair of parallel lines.
Yes.
So next shape name? What's that one?
Nonagon.
Nonagon. How many sides is a nonagon?
9.
9. Very good. Need a bit more space.
So I got to put it up there.
Okay. And what's the next word?
Hexagon.
Polygons.
Polygons.
And at the start of the video, you said what a polygon was. What polygons?
These.
All of them. So why don't you put that in the top middle of the table? So these are all different polygons. And what's your last word there?
Triangle.
Triangle. Very good. So can we move these around, Nile, so that they've got a bit more space so we can have a look at them?
Because look, that one has
so
to
that
go
they're
on
not
top.
overlapping. Can you help, Mummy? So we
Okay.
can go over some of the shapes. Good job.
Okay.
So we've got square, trapezium, rhombus, parallelogram, and we've got a rectangle. Put the word rectangle right underneath the rectangle for me, please, Niall. Very good. And these are all four-sided shapes, and they're all called quadrilaterals.
Quadrilaterals.
Quadrilaterals. And what about this, Nile? 3 sides is called a?
That's an easy one. Triangle.
5 sides?
Trapezium.
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
6 sides?
Hexagon.
7 sides? Heptagon.
Heptagon.
8 sides?
Octagon. That's my favorite one.
Octagon. 9 sides?
Octagon.
Nonagon.
Nonagon.
And 10 sides?
Decagon.
Decagon.
I forgot what I was gonna say.
That's okay. So maybe by tomorrow or the day after you remember the name of all of these shapes. Just need to practice a little bit.
Yes.
So that's the end of today's lesson on polygons. How was that, Naya?
Great.
Okay, everyone. See you next time.
Bye.
Now we have some practice questions for you to try. When you're ready, pause the video and have a go. When you're finished and ready for the answers, press play.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share with all your friends. Go on, press that send button.